Hey everyone! If you love Filipino food, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making a delicious and easy chicken pares, a lighter twist on the classic beef version. It's savory, a little sweet, and perfect with garlic fried rice. Let's go over what you'll need. Boneless chicken thighs, soy sauce, brown sugar, lots of garlic, ginger, onion, star anise for that signature aroma, and some water. First, let's get our aromatics ready. Chop one large onion, mince about 8 cloves of garlic, and julienne a 2-inch piece of ginger. I've already cut my chicken thighs into bite-sized cubes. Now, for the fun part, heat some oil in a pot over medium heat. We'll saute our aromatics first. Add the onions and cook for a few minutes until they soften. Then toss in the garlic. Ginger, and cook for another minute until you can smell those amazing flavors. Next, add your chicken pieces right into the pot. Stir everything together and let the chicken cook for about 4 minutes, just until it's no longer pink on the outside. We're building layers of flavor here. Time to create that incredible sauce. Pour in the soy sauce and brown sugar. Mix together. Then add in water, a few pieces of star anise, salt and pepper. Give it all a good stir to combine. Cover the pot, bring it to a boil, then lower the heat, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens. The chicken will become incredibly tender and soak up all the flavor. While that simmers, it's the perfect time to make your garlic fried rice. Alright, our chicken is perfectly tender. Let's thicken that sauce. I've mixed 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a little cold water. Slowly pour it in, then stir, and let it simmer for another couple of minutes until the sauce is glossy and coats the chicken beautifully. And there you have it, the perfect pares, or pear. This chicken pares is pure comfort in a bowl. It's so easy to make and guaranteed to be a new family favorite. I love to garnish with fresh green onions and some toasted garlic for extra crunch. Thanks for cooking with me today. Enjoy!